Successful people often share certain habits that contribute to their achievements and overall well-being. Here are some of the common habits observed in successful individuals. 1. Goal setting. Successful people set clear and achievable goals. They break down their objectives into smaller, manageable tasks and create actionable plans to reach them. 2. Time management. Effective time management is crucial for success. Successful individuals prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and use their time efficiently. 3. Continuous learning. Successful people never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and stay updated on the latest trends and developments in their field. 4. Networking. Building strong networks and relationships is essential for success. Successful individuals know the importance of collaboration, support, and learning from others. 5. Resilience. Success often involves facing setbacks and failures. Resilient individuals view challenges as learning opportunities and keep pushing forward despite obstacles. 6. A healthy lifestyle, taking care of their physical and mental health, is a common trait among successful people. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient rest contribute to their overall well-being and productivity. 7. Positive mindset. Successful individuals tend to maintain a positive attitude even in difficult situations. They focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. 8. The continuous improvement. Striving for constant improvement is a habit of successful people. They seek feedback, evaluate their performance, and make necessary adjustments to enhance their skills and abilities. 9. Effective communication. Successful individuals are often excellent communicators. They can articulate their ideas clearly and listen actively to others. 10. Taking calculated risks. Success sometimes requires taking risks. Successful people analyze potential outcomes and take calculated risks when the potential benefits outweigh the downside. 11. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances and environments is crucial for success in a dynamic world. Successful individuals embrace change and see it as an opportunity for growth. 12. Gratitude. Practicing gratitude and acknowledging the contributions of others is a habit shared by many successful people. It fosters a positive and supportive environment. 13. The consistency. Successful people understand the value of consistency. They work steadily towards their goals even when progress seems slow. 14. Visualization. Many successful individuals use visualization techniques to imagine their success and build a clear mental image of their goals. 15. Giving back. Philanthropy and giving back to the community are habits often seen in successful individuals. They understand the importance of helping others and making a positive impact on society. Remember that success is subjective and can vary from person to person. These habits are not a guaranteed recipe for success, but are common traits observed in many accomplished individuals. It's essential to find a balance and develop habits that align with your own values and goals.